We're delighted and really proud to once again be hosting Confex. Particularly special as we're reopening again this year. Confex very much sits at the heart of the exhibition industry. It's worth reminding ourselves that the industry is the sixth largest sector in the UK. It represents more than 30 billion in economic impact and employs over 700,000 people. So, as I say, Confex sits right at the heart of that. So, I mean, the mood's very positive. I think when we ran Confex in September, no one really knew what to expect in the autumn, but actually shows in the autumn bounced back incredibly quickly. And last week we had our first B2B shows. They were very successful. So it just shows, we've shown it before, that you can turn the industry back on and people will come again. It's a busy time in Excel's history. Obviously the big news is phase 3, which is our expansion out to the east. That's 24,000 metres of new exhibition and conference space. Very much driven by customer demand, very much with sustainability in mind, and work for that starts very soon. So that's our big project. We've also upgraded all our digital infrastructure. If you look around the show, you'll see that, to help people find shows, find venue information, provide some more advertising opportunities. And of course, the big news is the Elizabeth line is coming. I was lucky enough to go on a train a couple of weeks ago on a test train. There's 12 trains an hour coming to Excel. It's only 12 minutes to central London. The trains are fast, smooth, the stations are beautiful. I think it's a game changer for Excel.